Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp and egg fried rice in under 15 minutes. This is a quick and easy recipe made at home. You'll love it. I'll be giving you tips on how to get the perfect fried rice. I'll also be showing you how to debone a fish in under 1 minute. You'll not want to miss that. Let's get cooking. If you like the video, a little like, a comment, a share, and possibly subscribing to my channel would greatly be appreciated. Thank you. When you're frying shrimp, just make sure you cook it not more than 30 seconds. If you cook it for a bit too long, it will turn rubbery. Here I've used cold basmati rice which was made the night before. It's a good idea to use cold rice because you get the fine rice texture. Whenever you make fried rice, it's always a good idea to cook it on high flame and keep tossing it around. Let's debone our fish in under 1 minute. Here I have an Indian mackerel. I made a slit in the middle, squeeze the spine, start from the bottom and go all the way to the top, so that this basically loosens the spine from the meat. Squeeze the ribs on either side so that the ribs easily separate from the meat. One quick snap and there you go, deboning in under a minute. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate your comments and suggestions. Till then, bye.